Welcome to a video series on learning version control with Git. In this video, I'll show you how to save changes temporarily in Git without committing them. Saving changes temporarily? Why is this useful? We often have to switch between different tasks, and often this leaves us with half-done work. For example, imagine you're working on a feature when suddenly an urgent bug report comes in. You have all those modifications in your working copy, all this unfinished work. And there's an important rule in version control. Never commit half-done work. Commits are really made to wrap up something completed. It might be small, but it should really be finished, tested, and working. So this is where Git Stash feature comes in. Git status shows us that we're in the middle of working on something. We have some local modifications in our working copy. Let's say that an urgent bug report comes in. We need to get a clean working copy to work on this new task. With Git Stash, all of our current local changes are saved away temporarily, and we're left with a clean working copy. You can think of Git Stash as some kind of clipboard. Git Stash list shows you a listing of all stashed states. With the plain git stash command that we just executed, we created this item here. This is where our local changes were just saved. You can stash multiple sets of changes without overriding anything. Just keep in mind that the latest item is always numbered 0. Later, we can then continue where we left. Just type git stash apply and the name of the stash. This restores the saved changes in our working copy. Voila! Our saved local changes are back, and we're exactly where we left off. It makes sense to clean up a little bit. With git stash drop and the name of the stash, we delete the stashed state from the clipboard. Git stash list will now show an empty list. A handy shortcut is git stash pop. This applies and directly removes the most recent stash from the clipboard. To finish off, let's talk about when to use the stash. The answer is easy. Anytime you need a clean working copy. For example, before you switch branches, before pulling changes from a remote, or before merging or rebasing branches. Most importantly, you should keep in mind that stashing can never hurt. It's very quick and easy and has no side effects or drawbacks. That's it for now. Thanks for watching, and see you soon in the next video.